Hello friends, welcome to Reliable Tricks. In this video I show you full tutorial of Photoshop step by step, so let's go started. First open your File Explorer and go to Drive C. Here you can see Photoshop application. Press Ctrl, Alt and Shift key. Open the application. Click Yes and it reset your Photoshop settings. Click on Edit. Then go to Preferences. You can also use Ctrl+K. Click on Performance and adjust the settings that show in the video. Adjust the RAM used up to 90% and history status up to 50. Click OK. Go to Preferences or use Ctrl+K. Select the Tools option. Enable the Show References point. Then click OK. This option enables you to give various points that helps you in many ways. I hope this will help you. Sometimes scratch disk are a full problem comes. So let's go to solve it. Click on Edit. Then go to Preferences, then click on General. Click on Scratch Disk, then select the maximum disks. Sometimes you faced program error problem. In this problem you cannot import image. Here you can see program error pop up. So let's try to fix it. So try the next way to use same image. Click on File, then open the same image. Select the Move tool and transfer this image to the project. Here you can see program error problem does not come. So this problem is solved. In the Photoshop you can change your shortcuts keys. Press Alt, Ctrl, Shift and K key to open the pop-up. If you use Zoom tool you have suffered various problem. so I referred you to use shortcut keys to zoom in and out. To use it, press Ctrl+ and Ctrl- to zoom out. If you want to copy any object, you need to copy the layer. But after knowing the shortcut, you directly copy the object. To do it, press Alt and move the object. So in this way you can copy various objects fastly. To resize any object, press Ctrl+T. In this way you can resize any object. But if you want to resize any object only with one side, you need to hold Shift key. Let's go for next trick. If you want to roll back your changes, here I am making some rectangles to show you how you got your changes back. To do it, press Ctrl+Z. From this way you reverse your changes. To open the camera or filter, press Ctrl, Shift and A. From here you can do various changes in the image. You can color, clarity, shadows, highlights and many more other things. You can directly use Liquify tool to do it. Press Ctrl, Shift and X. From this tool you can create changes in hair. This will be very helpful face editing. From the select option you can use select and mask tool, but to do it with shortcuts you need to press Shift, Alt and R. From here you can erase tiny object very effortlessly. From Move tool you can move object. Every tool has its own shortcut key, so make sure to know it. Here I use shortcut to Move tool while using Zoom tool. You can know the information of tool in the tool preview. This is a selection tool. You can select any object and work on it. Make sure to on this option, which helps you. Enable rulers. Drag from corner to use it. I hope you have a nice day.